Good morning, guys. Sorry for the jump scare. I actually woke up like 10 minutes ago. Today is gonna be really exciting. My boyfriend and I are going to the Long Beach Flea, which is gonna be so fun. It happens once a month. Take you guys along with us. It's usually pretty chaotic. We just try to get in as much thrifting as we can because it closes at 2. And right now it's like almost 9 and it takes us about like an hour to get there. But today should be fun and I'm really excited to take you guys with us. So, let's go.
Good morning. How are you? So did you say? Thanks for coming. You?
Everything.
No, just you.
But you're taller. Okay, then get me.
What?
Get me.
Hi guys, it's the next day. I wanted to film a little haul of everything I got at the Flea because it was so crazy yesterday and incorporate a little try on for you guys. So let's get into it. These little olive green shorts. What really sold me was this little pocket on the back. So cute. I love shorts like this because I don't want everything hanging out and they're really sweet and sophisticated. Then at that same booth, I found this jacket. It's just the cutest thing ever. I really needed it. It is missing 2 buttons, but I will find buttons and sew them on because I needed this so bad. And this might be my favorite piece, okay? It's so cute. If it doesn't fit, I'm actually gonna be so mad. I'm gonna be so mad. It's this baby pink vintage, has like the white sheer layer on top, vintage mod dress. Like, are you guys actually kidding me? This is the cutest thing ever. Again, if it doesn't fit, I'm suing. Then we got these $5.50 Levi's. This is my favorite wash. If I had to pick one pair of jeans, a certain wash, it would be this wash. These are Levi's $5.50. They're size 35 waist by 32, so they're gonna be a little bit big and a little long, but nothing I can't fix. Cuff it and belt it, you're good to go. But love these. I think I got these for 20 bucks. So what a steal. The same booth as the baby pink dress, I got this cowboy western looking blouse. It's really cute. They're just staying, but nothing I can't fix. I will get it out. I love this. I love the gingham. If I end up going to Stagecoach to see Lana strictly, I will be wearing this. I'd probably wear it with like my Levi's or something and then some boots like over the jeans. I think that's really cute. That's a vibe. The same booth that I got the other Levi's. These are 501s 34 by 36. So again, they're gonna be a little big and a little long, but I don't mind. These are button fly, which I love. I don't necessarily need any more jeans, but these were really good condition. So one more jean can't hurt. Now, 2nd Street. Starting off, I got these 501 Levi's. They're originally someone's jeans. They're 33 by 29, but someone cut them up and distressed them, and I really like that. I thought they'd be great for summertime, throwing over a bikini at the beach or what have you. I really like the distressing on them. Cute. This is my last pair of jeans, okay? These are some 501 93 28 by 30, so these ones I'm hoping will be a bit more fitted because I want that fitted look. Like I feel like Kendall Jenner and like Lily Rose Depp wear those types of Levi's a lot where it's like fitted but not skinny all the way down. I'll insert a picture. I got this red maxi dress, and in the back it's like open a little bit and then kind of like a plunge neckline, which I thought was really beautiful. It's really soft and then has kind of a ruffle hem. So I'm just hoping this fits really nicely and it's really lightweight and good. Fingers crossed. I like the color. If I'm going out to dinner during the summer, this would be a really nice, easy dress to throw on, and I'm comfy and I'm cute. You know the deal. Then another dress I got from 2nd Street. This one was $12 and it's this very like icy blue, baby blue lace slip dress. I just love this color. I thrift stuff like this all the time, but I just couldn't resist. This was like really great condition. And last but not least, I went to House of Intuition and I picked up some crystals that I've been wanting to do for a really long time. I'll insert which ones are what and like what it means. I took videos and pictures of all the little cards. Now I have this little fun thing to put in my purse, and I love. Yesterday was a really good shopping day for me. Literally a shopping day can never be a bad day for me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little bit different. It was really fun to film, and I'll see you guys next time.